Hi guys, this is the third video of Breaking the AI. Today I'm going to talk about another module known as web browser. Okay, the syntax is very similar to any other. This module is used for web automation. There is another module also known as Selenium which is used for the same purpose, but I'm not going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about Selenium in another video. So let's talk about web browser. The syntax is pretty simple. You just have to write import web, I'm sorry, web browser. Okay, and the most useful function of web browser is dot open. Okay, web browser dot open, and inside the parenthesis you have to write the URL www.youtube.com. Okay, control s control v, so you get youtube.com. Okay, and if I have to search in YouTube or search in any website, I just have to write slash search question mark q is equal to, and whatever I have to search, like Elon Musk. Just wait for it, and you get Elon Musk. Yeah, search, right? For example, if you write here google.com, so it's gonna search Elon Musk in google.com, right? So I hope you are understanding or thinking how to use this in AI. Okay, so we are just gonna create a code with this. Okay, in just a few minutes. Okay, so I've created a simple program, a simple AI like program with the help of web browser. Okay, so let's run it, then I'll show you or I'll explain you my code. So run. So first it gives us an options, six options. First is to open YouTube, second is to open Wikipedia, third is to open Facebook, fourth is to search what you want to search in Google, fifth is to search in YouTube, and the sixth is to terminate. Let's start with the simple one, to open YouTube. If I write one, so yeah, it's gonna open YouTube, www.youtube.com. So yeah, so if I write, and you see it's, I have put the code in my code in a loop so that it keeps on running again and again. After putting one input, I have to put another also. So let's do second one. Let's open Wikipedia. Okay, so yeah, Wikipedia has been opened. Okay, yeah. So again, if I want to again, I want to, now I want to search in YouTube. The fifth option is to search in YouTube. So after that, fifth option, and what I want to search, I want to search Mr. Beast. Okay, yeah, Mr. Beast. So yeah, it's gonna search Mr. Beast, and you see it's gonna search Mr. Beast, and you see, yeah. Now I'm gonna search in Google, which is the fourth option. Fourth, I'm gonna search Elon Musk. Yeah, it's gonna search Elon Musk in Google. Now I want to terminate my program. The sixth one is to terminate my program. Okay, sixth one, program terminated. So yeah, that's the output which my code give. Let us now go back to the code. This is the code. So I have first imported web browser. The second line is condition is equals to true. This is actually the method to create infinite loop. Okay, so condition is equal to true when I, and while condition, that means while condition is true. If I write here condition is equals to false, then my while loop would not run. Okay, so condition is true, so print, these are the options which I have printed, and I have asked an input here. You see input, please enter your input. Okay, so if ask is equals to one is to open YouTube, I'm gonna open YouTube. Second is to open Wikipedia, third is to here it should be .org, so I'm sorry, yeah. So third is to open Facebook, fourth is to search in Google. Okay, so I'm gonna take another variable which is known as ask to input what I want to search, enter what you want to search. Okay, and then I have used parameters. Okay, placement parameters here, format. The other form of placement parameters is percentage s. I hope you know this, percentage s. Okay, so if I want to, it's like I'm placing an unknown variable, unknown thing here. Okay, I'm gonna ask user what I want to enter. For example, I want to search Elon Musk. about Elon Musk. Okay, so web browser.open google/search. I told you about this URL. This is the URL to search something, and here is equal to, we have to write what we want to search. So instead of this, I write these bracket, and after that I write format, and here I have to write what I want instead of the brackets. Okay, let me explain it again. I have written here brackets, okay, these dictionary brackets dot format, and in the parenthesis of format I write the variable ask2. Okay, you see ask2 is here. Ask2 is my Elon Musk, so format and bracket Elon Musk. What this does is the variable, the value of ask2 would be automatically set here where the curly braces are. Okay, so it's eventually gonna be www.google.com/search question mark q is equal to Elon Musk. Okay, here it's gonna be Elon Musk. Okay, so this is the same, this is known as placement parameters. Okay, there is another method also with the help of percentage %s. Okay, so I've done same with here if I want to search in YouTube, and the sixth one is to terminate the program. So it's pretty simple. And in the sixth one, if I want to terminate program, I'll write condition is equal to false, so that to break the while loop. So this is it. Let me again explain you the placement parameters. Okay, so just wait a second. I'm gonna Python, right? So if I take input, if I take an input, if I take a simple input, let it be L is equals to input, enter your name, your name. Okay, and yeah, if I enter my name, if I name Himanshu Sharma, Himanshu. Okay, so this is a L is actually Himanshu Sharma. I hope you understand this, right? So if I want to use this with the help of parameters, if I want to show some technique with placement parameters, let me show it. If I want to print that this, let me first write the syntax, is a YouTuber. Okay, dot format, dot format L. Okay, so what I'm doing here is print. I'm gonna print the bracket, curly brackets, is a YouTuber, but it should be is a YouTuber. Okay, is a YouTuber, and dot format I have written what I want to write. Okay, which is L, and L is Himanshu. So Himanshu is a YouTuber. I'll write it again, the above one, and instead of this, I'm gonna write mod. Mod got 47. Okay, so yeah, he's my brother. So instead of these bracket, these bracket would be replaced by mod got 47, or I should say what is written in the parenthesis inside the format. Okay, if I enter, yeah, mod got 47. So this is how you use parameters with the help of dot format. Okay, I hope you understand now my syntax properly. Thank you.